Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mama Jo and this one is
Rylan.
How do you spell your name, Rylan?
R-I-L-E-N, bye-bye.
Oh, not yet saying bye-bye. And for today's video, we are going to make a science experiment. What's the experiment called, Rylan?
Traveling colors.
And color mixing.
Additate.
It was Science Week last week and Rylan wanted to share one of his favorite science experiment. It's called traveling colors, and these are the materials that we need. We need plastic containers like this. What's this one, Rylan?
Food coloring.
For coloring. What are these ones?
Paper towel.
And popsicle sticks for stirring. Now,
And
some water. Well done, thank you, Nat. Alright, now what do we need to do? Put some water in the
cup.
In the container, okay?
Container.
So, what color should we put on the first one?
Red.
Okay, can you do...
One drop.
You can do 3 drops of red.
One, two, three.
Alright.
I only did 3 drops.
And we need what color for the next one?
Orange.
Oh no, we don't have orange. What do?
We need to make red and yellow together.
Red and yellow together. Should we do yellow first?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yellow. 1, 2, 3.
And
red.
then we mix red to make orange.
Yay.
Well done, Rylan. Right.
Making orange now.
Is it orange now? We need to mix it, okay? Can you mix it for me slowly?
Whoa.
Whoa! It is orange. And what's the next color, Rylan?
Yellow.
Yellow. Can you do 2 or 3 drops of yellow, please?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Well done. And what's next to yellow?
Green.
Green.
I'm gonna do it.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you made 4, but that's all right. What's the next one, Rylan?
5. Blue.
Blue. Okay, so.
Number blue. 5.
All right. Be careful, please. 2, 3 drops only. Okay.
Whoa,
Now we need to mix red one. Right. And how about mix the other side?
Green one.
Yeah, yellow first. Yellow. Oh no, we mixed it. All right. This one.
Green.
And then blue.
Whoa, we did it. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. We got our 5 colors.
All right. So what's the
Red,
next
orange,
step,
yellow,
Rylan?
green.
Need to fold the paper towel in half, and we need 4 because we've got 5 containers, right? All right. Need to put it in between the containers like this. Yep.
Doing
And
it
then
now.
the next one.
Ooh. And I'm gonna do the yellow and green.
Okay, can you do the yellow and green one for me?
Uh-huh.
And then the last one.
The blue and green.
All right. Now what is it doing, Rylan?
It's
What happened?
traveling the colors.
Where is the color traveling to the
Paper towel.
paper towel?
Ooh. Can I touch?
Yeah. How does it feel?
Cold.
Cold because it is wet with water.
Feels cold.
Aw, which one traveled faster?
Oh, this one is finished.
Is it?
The one you've been finished.
A little bit finished. And how about this one?
More finished.
More finished. Green one is not traveling very fast, but it's okay.
It's slow.
It is slow.
But this one is not traveling fast.
That's
And
okay.
not this one. This one is good.
Yeah. When we say that the water is going into the
Paper
paper
towel.
towel, it means
It looks
that
like those zigzags.
Zigzag. It means that the water is being absorbed by the paper towel.
I like
Very
it
good,
zigzag.
Rylan.
Like this.
Well done. Do you like our experiment, Rylan?
Yeah!
Can I ask you something?
Okay.
What happens if we mix blue and red?
Purple.
Purple. How about if we mix yellow and blue together? It makes
Green.
green. Well done.
How about orange and yellow together?
I don't know now. Yellow, orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Should we say goodbye to our friends? Because that's the end of our science experiment.
I'm gonna take them out.
You want to take them out. But maybe later we say goodbye to our friends.
Bye!
All right. That's the end of our experiment for today. We have noticed that the colors are traveling from one paper towel to the other. And we have also discovered that if we are mixing one color to the other, it will make into a new color. Alright, Rylan, can you say please goodbye to your friends now?
Bye!
We'll see you all next time on our science experiment. We hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Mama Jo and this one is
Rylan! Rylan, bye-bye. Oh, this one is traveling faster. Oh my gosh. Green is done and blue's done. Green is done a little bit. What? And look, this one is done. This one is done. Oh, look at the red drop.